Hey online go-getters, it's Grace here from Printbest, your print-on-demand partner. We recently started a 2-part video on how you can use content marketing to grow your business. If you haven't seen part 1 yet, the link is in the description below. Today's video is part 2, content marketing to generate leads. So if your goal is to get more subscribers, signups, or traffic to your online store, this video is perfect for you. But before we begin, we want to hear from you. What are some content marketing challenges that you've encountered for your business? Let us know in the comments below. Then make sure you're subscribed to our channel because we'll be making more videos that help you overcome your obstacles to online business success. Now let's get started. Leads are potential future customers. Getting leads exposes more people to your products and services and also exposing them to more content marketing in the future. So what's the underlying content strategy? Build trust by providing value. Let's go through 4 ways to do this effectively. First, I want you to imagine this scenario. You're feeling groggy one morning and you pass a cafe with a sign saying, "Free coffee from the Baristas Association." You've never been in that cafe before, but because of that sign, you're more likely to go in now. That sign has accomplished 4 things. It offers you something first, and it's something that you happen to want. It demonstrates their credentials, and it gives you a reason to go in. Now, let's take a look at how you can use content marketing to achieve those 4 elements. Number 1, give them something first. At this point, it's too early to push the sale. You need to show your audience that you're proactive about getting their business. For online stores, this content could be tips for getting started, an inspiration guide, or even a complete tutorial on how to use one of your products. You're essentially demonstrating that you're putting effort into building this relationship. In return, your audience is more likely to reciprocate. Number 2, make sure it's something that they want. For example, if you're selling mugs that say, "World's Greatest Teacher," you could curate a list of best gifts for teachers because it's likely that your customers are looking for those. And of course, you should include your mug on that list. Sometimes your audience doesn't know that they want something. For example, maybe they're doing a Google search for gifts in general, when in reality, they're actually going to give those gifts to teachers. So you have to anticipate what they really want. If they're looking at a mug for World's Best Teacher, chances are they need something specifically for a teacher. That's why your curated list helps them out. Number 3, demonstrate your credentials. By doing this, you position your business as a reliable source for solutions. You have a lot of competition, and this is one way to be a cut above the rest. In our teacher's mug example, you could mention that your list was based on suggestions by actual teachers. So even though there are plenty of online stores selling teacher's mugs, you've shown that your store has more authority and more experience. And number 4, give them a reason to take action. To view your list, you could ask them to provide an email address with a checkbox that says, "I agree to receive marketing emails too." That way, you'll be able to send them emails in the future. Once they consent to receive emails from you, they become a lead for your business. This gives you the opportunities to market to them and convert them into a paying customer. So congratulations, you've just gotten a lead for your business. This process is mutually beneficial for you and your potential customer because it's a popular approach that online businesses all around the world are using. So how do you make your content stand out and be the most effective? Here are a couple more tips to help you create content that gets you leads. First, create content that appeals to the type of customer that you want. For example, if you're targeting a DIY home decor audience, providing a 3-minute video tutorial is probably better than a 3-page document. Second, give them a sneak peek. Let them read the first paragraph of your guide or let them watch the first minute of your video without having to provide anything. If they want more, they'll need to provide their email. Third, give them a reason to keep coming back. Update your content consistently. Maybe you publish a new blog article every month. Whatever it is, use your content as a way to lure potential customers back to your website. And fourth, avoid sounding salesy, but do link to your products or services. So instead of saying, "Buy our sweaters," you could instead share a list of 5 ways to keep warm in a cold office and have warm sweaters as one of those items. These tips help you provide value and gain trust so that you can get leads that eventually become customers. We're going to end this video with some real examples to give you ideas on what you can do with content marketing. The first example is this video. We create videos that help online entrepreneurs make money and grow their businesses. Our goal is to build trust with viewers like yourself and show that we want to help you succeed. In return, we hope that you give our print-on-demand services a try. So if this video is helping you, give us a like and subscribe. Another example is the Printbest blog linked in the description below. Our articles range from why sell t-shirts and how to start a print-on-demand business to Etsy tips and more. We publish articles weekly, which gives you a reason to visit our website regularly. The topics we cover cater to online entrepreneurs and artists because these are the people most likely to benefit from our print-on-demand services. Our last example is a downloadable workbook. We have a free business plan workbook in PDF format that you can download to use for your online store. In exchange, we ask for your name and email address. We've included the link in the description below if you want to download it. This concludes part 2 of our content marketing lesson. We encourage you to try out some of the strategies we talked about today to grow your own business. Content marketing takes practice and it can take up to 6 months to see results, but getting those potential customers is worth it. So stay positive, keep learning, and improve along the way. If you found this video helpful, please give us a like and subscribe to the Printbest channel. Good luck, thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.